they call race. And the rough early lead is taken by Extraordinary from the outside, and Jacqueline's Diamond moving up on the inside to grab the lead. It's Jacqueline's Diamond followed by Conqueror's Magic on the outside. The Reason Why running in third, Extraordinary and Blue Material. And at the mid-back stretch, it's now Conqueror's Magic in the lead. It's Conqueror's Magic followed by Jacqueline's Diamond by the rail. And on the outside is The Reason Why, Blue Material, Extraordinary, and Adonis. And at the far turn, it is still Conqueror's Magic in the lead. It's Conqueror's Magic followed by The Reason Why on the outside, and Extraordinary on the farther outside, Blue Material. And at the last bend for home, Extraordinary on the outside, The Reason Why, Conqueror's Magic. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Extraordinary and Conqueror's Magic, The Reason Why on the outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the pay-off line, it is still Extraordinary, followed by Conqueror's Magic in second, The Reason Why. And finally at the pay-off line, it's Extraordinary with Ayetan Shoko.
Okay, crossing the wire first. I think only the third or the fourth choice, number 7,